So, well, it's Saturday when we are down, and I'm looking at a sort of a section of bed in front of this shopping center. It's where the pet food store is, and I was just looking, and it's a nice time of day because the light is oblique, and I'm just looking at all the cool things we've got here. There's a number of them. Again, what we're always looking for, you're always looking for, looks like it's always going to look like spirals. You're going to see spirals. You're going to see a lot of things like this. You're going to see things like basically, you're going to see a lot of things like this. We're always looking for the circles, always looking for the spirals. Sometimes you'll see things like where you'll have a curl, and there's another curl underneath it, and there's another curl underneath it. But yeah, I saw some great ones actually when I was looking around. Well, there's this one. That's nice and clear. That one's gonna look pretty nice. I'm gonna hork that one. Let's look through and see what else we can see. And again, all of these are ammonites. There's no way to not find one. These things are all the remnants of the mountain erosion. And of course, the mountains grew out of the western interior seaway. And that means that the top of the mountains used to be the bottom of the ocean. Look, yeah. So again, we're always looking for the center and then the curve. And you can then see it. You're always looking basically for sort of a complex kind of snail shell diddly. And again, my understanding on things like this is when you had differences in materials, and they would, when the temperature got high enough, they would sort of change and flow, but the structure stayed. And that's why they all look like this. That's why they look like ammonites, because the previous shell structure is still there protecting the stuff. Oh yeah, look at that one. Look at that one. See it? And if you spin them, sometimes that makes things easier, because then you can see. Let's see. I think I lost it. Where is it? Yeah, actually, look at that. There's this, because a lot of these are squished. You see a lot of like eye forms too. So you'll see things like, just grabbing something to write with. You'll see things with like an oval like this, and the shape will be like that. And you'll see things like, it's going to come in through this. You might see pie shapes, or it might have bumps on the outside. And again, what these were, ammonites, is they were squids with shells. And so think of taking your average, squid, as one does, and jamming it into a French horn. There you go. There's an ammonite. Some of these, and you'd be amazed at how some of these clean up. Yeah. See, look, dunk, boom, boom, boom. There's some of the circles right there. This is the overlapping circle kind. So there's a circle, there's a circle, there's a circle. And you can see sort of the regularity of the bumps and some different minerals as well. Oh, look at that. There's sections of the chambers right there. And there's that curve. There's the middle, see? And that's the big flattened curve that I was talking about. So again, this was an ammonite. Oh, you see, I love ones like this. Because this one, you see these, and they still, look at that, there's sections of the chambers. These are the insides of the chamber walls. You can, the center of this one would have been here, and there would have you can actually see that rolling over. These are the ones I like because they're so clear. Like you can really see where the things were. That's a pretty neat one. I like that one. Okay, I see. Let's find one more to chat about, and then I gotta go back. I gotta go back home. But it's so fun, you know, because every place you come to, every new place you come to, and it's got rocks in front of it, you simply do not know what you're gonna find. It takes practice and time to learn how to see them. But once you start looking for the circles, circles within circles, there's the middle there, you can see the loop here, there are the regular striations. But it was broken out of a larger piece of rock, so this was a rounded one, and when it shattered, the unworn sections of the ammonite, actually look at the shell, bump, 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 bump there. And you have to remember though, also at a lot of these, you're kind of looking at, you know, a weird complex shape that's, you're just hacked the middle out of. Look at that one. This is one of the ones when we polish them, when these come, these sometimes can look pretty well alive, but look, boom, boom, boom. Oh, that's a good pattern. You can definitely see it on that side where the curl goes down, and it was curling out like this. So there, and you can see, it's just so fun. So it's gotten to the point now where I'm, like I said, looking for specific minerals and specific, you know, colors. But they are like, I mean, there's the shape. That one's not as clear as I thought it was going to be. Oh, we've got this one here. Look, I don't even have to touch it, and you can see where the chambers were. Yeah, right there. Look at that. You see, that's the center of a shell section right there, right through the middle of it. And it's still got, these are like the tops of the open chambers coming down. That one's cool. That one is super cool. There's a lot of great stuff here. At least I think so. Okay, I know I swore it would only be one more. There's the middle. Boop, boop, boop. Okay, I swear this will be the last one. I'm waiting for the day that I find something really valuable. We found garnet yesterday. Oh, you can see it. Look at that. There's the middle. There's an inner curl. There's a bigger outer curl. I'll grab that one. Okay, I lied. Yep, you see?
Rushing.
Look at that. Look at how wide open the inner structures still are. Again, it's tough to see them because it's like you're taking a chunk right out of the middle of an animal, but still. Oh hell, look at that one. Look at that. There you go. Now we're cooking with gas. What about that one right there? Anyway, let's check this one out. Yep, there it is. Look at the sections. And it's like black and white, and it spirals out and down. That's awesome. Okay, now I'm done. I'm done, I swear.